Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB P11 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from tablet to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, let's make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi and enter YouTube app. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now, when both devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your tab and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.